Alright, let me show you my solution for the next unit test. We've got a unit test where we're adding apples to a cart that already has apples. Adding a different product to a cart that has got this other different product already in the cart and thus throws a product already exception for that particular product would be the way to go. So let me do that now. I'm going to copy the Apple unit test, and Visual Studio is complaining, and I'm going to make it bananas. So I'm going to change this to have bananas in cart when call add with more bananas, then throw product already in cart exception. That looks great. As I've mentioned before, with copy and paste, we want to be very careful and go through each line of the copied code to ensure that we're making the appropriate changes and we don't end up with a paste error. We're creating an instance of our cart, that's fine, but now instead of adding apples, we're making it banana. We've got a banana helper property, so that works fine. And then for our second add, that we want to turn into a delegate so we can ensure that we're getting a product already in cart here. We're adding apples. Of course, this needs to be banana. The quantities don't matter. Let's leave that as 3 and 7. Okay, and the message for product already in cart would be product apple is already in the cart. Naturally, this would become product banana is already in the cart. That looks really good. Just check that it says banana everywhere. Yes, it does. I'm going to save and then run all unit tests. Right, running all unit tests. Bang. We've got a red test. And it's our banana test. And it says expected product already in cart, but no exception was thrown. Right, why might that be? Let's check out our shopping cart add implementation. Alright, fair enough. It is very much tailored towards Apple. We're checking for Apple as the product, and then the new product that we're adding, we're also checking that it's Apple, and only then do we throw a product already in cart. Okay, this is obviously a problem, and we need to do something about it. How do we fix this? We could change Apple to banana, and here Apple to banana, but then the test for Apple would no longer work. And obviously we're now at a point in time where we need to generalize this code. As the tests get more specific, our implementation code becomes more generic. This is what we've got. So why don't we do that? Let's select where product.name is our product name, and then of course we should no longer need this. So if we have a product in our items collection where the product name is equal to our trying to add this new product, that name, then we throw a product already in cart exception, else we don't. Right, that looks pretty good. Let's save and run all tests. Okay. Our banana test still failed. However, now we have a different message. It says product banana is already in the cart, but it says product apple is already in the cart. Okay, so we get a product already in cart exception, but the message is not what we want. And naturally, that is because we are hard coding our product already in cart message to change that. So it's going to do that now. So I'm going to make this product name, and it thinks it's still part of the string, so I'm going to turn this into string interpolation, string, and we need to have the product name here. We've just parameterized the product already in cart constructor here with the product name, but I believe we'll end up with an error. Yes, over here we're throwing product already in cart without a parameter. Obviously our product name parameter should do the trick. Okay, that looks good. Let me run all tests. Excellent, all tests pass, and we've got a second passing unit test for product already in cart exception. Brilliant. Let's refactor after this to tidy this up a little bit, make it more concise, and add a forward-looking test as well. See you shortly.